When Takshashila University flourished in 600 BCE, scholars came from across the world: mathematics, medicine, statecraft. Then political shifts, invasions, funding vanished. Within decades, the world's first great university became ruins. Knowledge workers scattered like autumn leaves.
Bhai, Google just fired 12,000 people over email. Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, सब line में खड़े हैं. These tech giants were hiring like crazy during COVID, and now pink slips आ रहे हैं like Diwali crackers. Same knowledge workers, different century.
The pattern is ancient. Empires build massive bureaucracies during prosperity. The Mauryas had 600,000 administrators at their peak. Then treasury pressures hit, and ruthless efficiency becomes the dharma. Chanakya himself wrote, "A bloated state invites its own collapse."
Efficiency? Yaar, they are firing people who built their AI models while CEOs take home millions. Sundar Pichai got $226 million in 2022. Meanwhile, engineers who moved cities for Google are now updating LinkedIn with open-to-work frames. कौन सा धर्म है ये?
Remember what happened after Takshashila fell? Those scholars didn't disappear, they created knowledge centers across Asia. Nalanda rose. Ideas scattered but evolved. The institution died, the intellect migrated and multiplied.
True that. Ex-Google people are launching startups, joining competitors, some even going back to India. Brain drain reverse हो रहा है. Maybe Silicon Valley का monopoly खत्म होने वाला है, just like no single university dominated after Takshashila.
Every empire believes its golden age is permanent. The Mughals thought their ateliers would last forever. The British thought the sun would never set. Tech giants assumed infinite growth.
And now AI is doing the work of 10 engineers. Venture capital has dried up, and everyone's realizing maybe we don't need 17 product managers for one app. The reckoning was always coming.
Here's what history teaches: institutions collapse, but human ingenuity is the true perennial resource. The scholars survived the university's fall.
And here's what layoffs teach: loyalty is a myth when balance sheets bleed. The engineers will survive Silicon Valley's fall.